Whiteboard.Chat is always looking to make improvements, and they're back again with more updates. I want to share some with you in this series called Whiteboard.Chat Short Tutorials. Each week, I will take 1 to 2 minutes to share one new feature with you. Well, time's ticking, so let's get into it. Today's video is all about self-checking text boxes. First, you include a few problems. Problems can consist of simple math equations, vocabulary practice, or fill in the blanks. Now we're ready for step 2, inserting text boxes. Select Tools, then Text Box. You'll notice that a plus sign appears. Hover over the area where you want the text box. Tap, and the text box will appear. Continue by adding in additional text boxes as needed. To make it so that this assignment can be scored and self-checked by students, you can do so by right-clicking into the text box, select Add Answers and Points, indicate the number of points, and include an answer. And you will do the same for each text box. Now we're ready to add a link for students to click so that they can self-check their work. You do so by going to Tools, then select Add Link. Determine where you like the link placed. Select Autocorrect, give it a name, and then save. Once you notice that this checkbox here appears, you're ready to go. Now let's check it out from a student's point of view. You go up here to the 3 dots up top, and then you're going to select Open Student Demo. This will allow you to view it from a student's vantage point. We're on the student board, it's stated up top. Now we're going to go ahead and fill in the answers. Now we knew the first answer was 18, but I'm going to type in 16. And this one I'm going to go ahead and answer correctly. And you can even insert text. Once done, students will just simply click there. And as you notice here, it says Finish Correction. Click OK. And students will be able to self-check, determining which answers were answered correctly. And you can clearly see that this one wasn't answered correctly. So go back in and correct it. With the incorrect answer, we could see that the score was 66%. Now I'll click Check again. Now the student can see that they've gotten 3 out of 3 correct at 100%. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this week's short video tutorial series. Make sure to tune in next week. And if you're interested in learning more about Whiteboard.Chat, feel free to check the description box down below for more video links similar to this one. Until next time, take care.